I wanna be free, I wanna just live inside my Cadillac, that is my shit. Now throw it up, that's what it is. M-I-C-A-D-I-L-L-A-C, bitch. Can't see me through my tents, I'm riding real slow, and my paint wet, dripping, shining like my 24s. I don't got 24s, but I'm on those Vogues. That's those big white walls, round them 100 spokes. Old school like old English in that brown paper bag. I'm rolling in that same whip that my granddad had. Hello, haters, damn y'all mad. 30K on the caddy, now how backpack rap is that?
I got that all-black Cadillac, midnight drive. Got that gas pedal lean back, taking my time. I'm rolling out, roof up, flitting in sky. I shine. The city never looks so black.
Man, I'm lounging in some shit Bernie Mac would've been prouder. Looking down from heaven like damn, that's stylish. Smiling, don't pay attention to the mileage. Can I hit the freeway illegally going 120 easy? We've been in and out of the traffic. Can I catch me? I'm smashing, I'm ducking, bucking. I'm out here, I'm looking fucking fantastic. I am up in the classic. Now I know what it's like under the city lights, riding into the night, driving over the bridge, the same one we walk across as kids. Knew I'd have a whip, but never one like this. Old school, candy paint, two-seater. Yeah, I'm from Seattle, there's hella Honda Civics. I couldn't tell you about paint either, but I really wanted the caddy, so I put in the hours and moved over to the dealer, and I found the car dream. It was a bargain with the skeezer.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening, but they fought with expert timing. There were funky Chinamen from funky Chinatown. They were chopping them up, they were chopping them down. It's an ancient Chinese art, and everybody knew their part. From a fainting to a slip, and a kicking from the hip. Everybody was kung fu fighting.
Hey. Good to see you. Come on in, let's go. Yeah! Let's go! Alright, okay. Return to the Mac. Get up what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Me get up. First shot, come strut walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, y'all can't copy yet. Bad moonwalking, and this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway, and we did it all way. Chrome music. I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, on my INDEPENDENT shit hustling. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the